Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to add overlay in CapCut PC. So let's assume that you have a video on your timeline and now you want to overlay another video. For that particular reason, what you can do, let's say I want to overlay this Android icon. We can simply place it over to our video and you can see it is now overlaid. But let's say you want to overlay this video which is onto our layer. So for that reason, what you can do is simply press C on your keyboard or drop down this menu and take your split tool and split this video and choose a small part, and now you can simply paste it above, and that's a pretty simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.